This Bosch cordless vacuum cleaner is packed with power and provides you with effortless cleaning to keep your home feeling spotless. It gives you enough power to clean your whole home, with up to 30 minutes runtime from a single charge. If one battery is not enough, then you'll have the option to continue cleaning by simply switching out the exchangeable batteries. You'll be able to give your home 360-degree cleaning and clean those hard-to-reach corners thanks to its crevice nozzle design. It's suitable for cleaning any type of flooring you have in your home thanks to the specially developed all-floor power brush.